Good morning, children. How are you? These days, we are doing the chapter fractions. In previous videos, we had learned fraction as part of a whole, fraction on a number line, and types of fractions. And in types of fractions, we have learned like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, and unit fractions. Children, today we will learn about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions which have same value. Equivalent fractions वो होती हैं जिनकी वैल्यू सेम होती है. देखने में वो fractions different लगती हैं but उनकी वैल्यू सेम होती है. Let's understand it with the help of example. Let's take a rectangle for example. In the first picture, I have taken one whole rectangle. एक पूरा rectangle लिया है मैंने. In the second picture, I have divided the rectangle into two equal parts and each part represents half of the rectangle. मैंने rectangle को two equal parts में divide किया है और हर part half of the rectangle को represent कर रहा है. In third picture, I have divided the rectangle into four equal parts and each part represents 1/4 of the rectangle. Now, if we take two parts of this rectangle, you can see these are still equal to the half of the rectangle, isn't it? 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4, which is equal to half of the rectangle. And in the last picture, if you see, I had divided the rectangle into 8 equal parts and each part represents 1/8. So if I take 4 parts out of 8 parts, it will be 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, which is equal to 4/8. And it is also equal to half of the rectangle. That means 1/2 is equal to 2/4 and which is equal to 4/8. That means such fractions that represent the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Children, you all like pizzas? Suppose your mom has made pizza for you. She cuts it into two equal halves. You want one half of the pizza, but she cuts it into 4 equal parts. But you still want half of the pizza? So she gives you 2 pieces out of 4. That means you got 2/4 of the pizza, which is equal to half of the pizza. If she cuts it into 8 equal parts and you want half of the pizza, how many parts you will take? Yes, 4 parts. That means you will get 4/8 of the pizza. Now suppose she cuts the pizza into 6 equal parts. How many pieces you will get if you want half of the pizza? That's right. You will get 3 parts out of 6. That means 3/6 of the pizza. 3/6 of the pizza. So now you know that 1/2, 2/4, 4/8 or 3/6 have the same value. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. जिन fractions की value same होती है वो fractions होती हैं equivalent fractions. Let's learn to find equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions कैसे find out करते हैं वो सीखेंगे. Children, we have seen that 1/2, 2/4, 3/6 and 4/8 are equivalent fractions. So if we multiply numerator and denominator both by 2, suppose we are taking the fraction 1/2 and we multiply numerator and denominator both by 2, we will get the fraction 2/4. अगर हम 1/2 फ्रैक्शन ले रहे हैं और उसमें न्यूमरेटर 1 है और डिनोमिनेटर 2 है। न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को हम अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, we will get the fraction 2/4. And in the same way, in 1/2, if we multiply the numerator and denominator both by 3, 1/2 multiplied by 3/3, we will get the fraction 3/6. Same way, if we multiply numerator and denominator both by 4, in 1/2, if we multiply numerator and denominator, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. If we multiply both by 4, we will get the fraction 4/8. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So we will get the fraction 4/8. This is the way when we multiply the numerator and denominator both by the same number to get the equivalent fraction. The other way is we can find the equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator both by the same number. Let's take 4/8 and divide numerator and denominator both by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2 or half. Now let's take 3/6 and let's divide numerator and denominator both by 3. So 3 will be divided by 3, which will be equal to 1, and 6 will be divided by 3, which is equal to 2. So we will get the fraction 1/2 in result. Now let's take the fraction 2/4 and let's divide numerator and denominator both by 2. So 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1 and 4 divided by 2 will be equal to 2. In result, we are getting the fraction 1/2. Thus, we can find equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. हम given fraction को के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी और डिवाइड करके भी इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Let's try to solve the first question of exercise 7C. Our question is, find 5 more equivalent fractions of the following. And I am taking the example 1/4 is equal to 3/12 is equal to 7/28. These all are equivalent fractions and we need to find out 5 more equivalent fractions of this. For this, we will multiply 1/4 by different numbers. First of all, we will multiply 1/4 by 2/2. 1/4 के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. In result, we will get the fraction 2/8. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 and 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So in result, we will get the numerator 2 and denominator 8 and the fraction will be 2/8. Now next 1/4 will be multiplied by 4 because 1/4 is already multiplied by 3 and we have already the fraction 3/12. So we will multiply it by 4. So 1 which is numerator will be multiplied by 4 and in result we will get 4 and denominator 4 will be multiplied by 4 and in result we will get 16. So we have got 4 as numerator and 16 as denominator and in result we have got the fraction 4/16. 4/16 is equivalent to 1/4. Next we will multiply 1/4 by 5. Numerator and denominator both will be multiplied by 5. So 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 and 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So in result we have got the numerator 5 and denominator 20 and the fraction is 5 upon 20. Next we will multiply the fraction 1 by 4 by 6. 1 upon 4 will be multiplied by 6. 1 is numerator which will be multiplied by 6 and we will get 6 in result, and 4 is the denominator which will be multiplied by 6 and in result we will get 24. So we have got 6 as numerator and 24 as denominator, and in result we have got the fraction 6 upon 24. 6 upon 24 is equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4. And for the fifth equivalent fraction, we will multiply 1 upon 4 by 8. So, numerator 1 will be multiplied by 8 and in result we will get 8, and denominator 4 will be multiplied by 8 and in result we will get 32 because 4 8s are 32. So, in result we have got 8 as numerator and 32 as denominator, and the fraction is 8 upon 32. Now let's take one more example for this, and next example is B part. 6 upon 8 is equal to 12 upon 16 is equal to 30 upon 40, and we have to find out 5 more equivalent fractions of this. So we will take 6 upon 8 and we will multiply it with different numbers. 6 upon 8, where 6 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator, and numerator and denominator both will be multiplied by different numbers, and first of all we will multiply by 3. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 and 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So that means we have got 18 as numerator and 24 as denominator, and the fraction is 18 upon 24, which is equivalent to 6 upon 8. Now next we will multiply 6 upon 8 by 4. Means 6 will be multiplied by 4 and we will get 24. 6 4s are 24, and 8 will also be multiplied by 4 and 8 4s are 32. So we have got 24 as numerator and 32 as denominator, and the fraction is 24 upon 32, which is equivalent to 6 upon 8. Now again we will take 6 upon 8, where numerator is 6 and denominator is 8, and both of the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 6, and in result we will get 6 6 are 36. 36 will be numerator, and 8 6 are 48. 48 will be denominator, and our fraction will be 36 upon 48, which is equivalent to 6 upon 8. Next we will multiply 6 upon 8 by 7 upon 7. So 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42, as 6 7s are 42 and 8 7s are 56. So we have got numerator as 42 and denominator as 56, and the fraction is 42 upon 56. For the fifth equivalent fraction, we will multiply 6 upon 8 by 8. 8 by 8. So 6 8s are 48 and 8 8s are 64. So numerator is 48, 64 is denominator, and the fraction is 48 upon 64. That means 48 upon 64 is equivalent to 6 upon 8. So children, this way we can find out इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस, और ऐसे ही आप जितनी चाहें उतनी इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज फिल इन द बॉक्सेस विद द करेक्ट न्यूमरल्स. चिल्ड्रन, अब आपको इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट करनी आ गई हैं, तो आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत इजीली कर सकते हैं. आई हैव टेकन द एग्जाम्पल सी and it is 6 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon dash. You have to find out the denominator here. So what will we do is we will take 6 upon 2 and we will check by which number we should multiply 6 to get 12 as numerator. 6 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें 12 आंसर में मिले? तो 6 2s are 12, तो 6 को अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें 12 मिलता है. तो बिकॉज वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन, हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ही पता लगानी है, तो हम क्योंकि 6 न्यूमरेटर है उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है, तो 9 विच इज डिनोमिनेटर विल ऑल्सो बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. 6 को मल्टीप्लाई किया गया था 2 से, तो 9 को भी 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 is equal to 18. So our required number is 18. हमें जो न्यूमरल फाइंड आउट करना था that is 18. Next I have taken the example E part, and that is 35 upon 49 is equal to 5 upon dash. Now this is something different. अभी तक क्या हो रहा था, हमें स्मॉलर नंबर्स मिल रहे थे फ्रैक्शंस में और हमें बिगर नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने थे, बट दिस टाइम वी हैव गॉट बिगर नंबर्स एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट स्मॉलर नंबर्स. जब आपको स्मॉलर नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं, स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट करने हैं, उस केस में आपको डिवीजन की हेल्प लेनी होती है. यू हैव टू डिवाइड द गिवन फ्रैक्शन, and here the given fraction is 35 upon 49, and the equivalent fraction which we have to find out, in that we have been given the numerator which is equal to 5. 35 upon 49 की equivalent fraction के लिए हमें 5 as numerator already given है, denominator हमें find out करना है. तो let's see कि 35 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करने पर हमें 5 मिलता है एज अ रिजल्ट. सो 35 को लेट्स से द टेबल ऑफ 5 में कहाँ 35 आता है, 5 के टेबल में 35 कहाँ आता है, दैट इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड नंबर. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. दैट मीन्स 35 को अगर हम 7 से डिवाइड करते हैं, इन रिजल्ट वी गेट 5. तो क्योंकि 35 को 7 से डिवाइड किया गया है, तो हम 49 को भी, जो कि डिनोमिनेटर है 35 अपॉन 49 में, उसको भी हम 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे. एंड 49 डिवाइड बाय 7 इज इक्वल टू 7 बिकॉज 7 7s are 49. So our required fraction is 5 upon 7. So the correct numeral to be filled in the box is 7. So this way you can find out the correct numerals to fill in the boxes. So children, that's all for today. Now you have to complete question 1 and 2 of exercise 7C in your notebooks. अपनी notebook में आप exercise 7C के question 1 and 2 complete करेंगे. सारे parts करने हैं question number 1 and 2 के. Thank you so much.